Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Farid. Today, me and my partner, Daniel Rashid, will present our FYP1 project this semester. We are doing system development project by developing an application named IIUM CrimeAlert. So, what is IIUM CrimeAlert? IIUM CrimeAlert is a mobile application to alert and report any kind of crime activities in IIUM. Despite the university reputation of being an Islamic institution, they are still dealing with serious activities within the campus such as theft, harassment, bullying and vandalism. This application aims to help provide comfort and security for the students in IIUM. Okay, next we are going to talk about problem statement. In chapter 2, we research many crime alert applications and only some of them are designed specifically for crime reporting. And most of applications are too shallow and the good ones like citizen are limited to United States. Second problem is most people have lack of acknowledgement to report to higher authorities, which lead to many crime report. Next, there are two project objectives we hope achieve after finishing this project. First is to assist campus police in ensuring the safety of the student. Second, provide an alternative way for users to spread news about crime that happen around them. Our target user for our application is III students, especially women and students with disabilities, since potential criminals prey on vulnerable and relatively weaker individuals. Awesome! The university police will be able to get access and use the application as their advice and cooperation are available in assisting crime prevention on campus. Okay, tool that we use in organization development is React Native for programming language for mobile application development. Second is Visual Studio SIDE software to develop the app. Third is Expo Client, which is open source platform for developing universal application for Android and iOS. Lastly, Android Studio, an IDE software and emulator to run and test the mobile app. We use Agile software development methodology in developing our application. We choose the methodology because it is an approach designed to accommodate change and the necessity to develop the project faster. Okay, here we have one general use case diagram for our application. There are two actors, user and admin. User can log in, sign up, manage and edit profile, display report, post and send report. While admin can manage report and send notification to the user. Okay, here we can see this is our poster. You can see we have various section: introduction, problem statement, project objective, tools, methodology, and our screenshot of prototype. Okay, I think that's all for me. Next, we move to prototype demo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Muhammad Rashid, matric number 1627851. So before I want to start to demonstration for the prototype, so I would like to say thank you for Senajan for this opportunity presented to us to present this video presentation of the LLP during this entire semester. So without further ado, let's start the demo for the IIUM CrimeAlert. So you see on the first page, this is the login page. So this is the logo, and then there's email and password. So before we click the login, we need to click the sign up page. So this is the sign up page. So you see here, this is the email, password, name, and matric number. So like the user needs to fill all of this information before signing up. So if they signed up, then they can use that same account to log in. So click here. Okay, so this is like the home screen. So as you see from the home screen, this is like the first look of the screen. So this is the slider of the picture and then the gallery. This is like the first stage that we want to show. So in the second bottom tab is the report page. So this report page, it displays all the reports that that the students post. So for now, this is like the placeholder for the report. They show like the title, the description, and then the date and time. So so if you look at the right side of the report page, so you can see that this is the submit report. So the user will need to click here in order to submit or upload image so they can send in the report. So they also need to fill in several related information, important information such as date, time, subject, that could be optional, description, location. Location must be specific. So in this case, they need to enter like their own like geolocation coordinate so they can send, put in the report. So they can send report. So report submitted. For now, this is like the placeholder. Okay, now for the third page. So the third page is the profile page. If you see from the profile page, it shows like the user avatar, the username, metric number, and other important information, and the status, different campus, how many reports that have they been submitted, and there's the three button notification, share apps to contacts, and settings. So if you look at the right side, right icon of the header, you see it's like the edit profile. So this is like the user existing image avatar. So they can click in to change the new one. They can upload and change their new picture. So this is like the important data they need to change, like name, phone number, email, home address, mahalah kuliah, and save profile. So if you click save profile, so the profile is saved. So let's go to the fourth page. So the fourth page is the info page. So the info page displays all the safe place and safe zones in the UIA. So if you click at the location marker here, it shows like the nearest safe place, the Shore Mahala. So this is using like the map features that is existing that we managed to make it work for so far in this development stage. So if you click here, this is the share location. So I think that I've already explained all the four page for now. So this is like the drawer now. So this is drawer function. This is available on every page, but in this time we click the drawer, and then this is like the user avatar, the username, and the user email. If you look carefully at this screen, this is like the button here that represent all the contacts. So about info, contact. So contact here shows like all the like contact information for awesome and contact us. So back custom navigation, which is in development stage for FIP2. So I think that's all for the demo. So after all is done, the user can click sign up to go back to the first screen. So I think that's all for the demonstration. For what we want to let you know that this is still in development stage, that we're planning to complete most of the intended features for the FIP2. That's all. Thank you.
The significance of the project is to create a safe environment in IIUM. The education can assist the university police or some in ensuring safety in IIUM. Finally, the project can increase awareness about the risk of university crimes through the app by prevention service and cultivate nature in preventing crime or reduce criminal activities.